Hey YouTube, my name is Derek. I'm a futures day trader, and I'd like to welcome you to my brand new channel, The Futures of Wall Street. Hey guys, again, my name is Derek, and welcome to my channel. I have three reasons why I created this channel, and I'd like to share them with you. The first one is um, I created this channel to share with you how I'm going to use day trading as my vehicle towards an early retirement, which was a goal I set for myself once I got into day trading. The second one is to show others that it is possible to make money as a day trader, because since I've been trading, I get a lot of questions from people about whether I'm making money or not. Is it easy to make money? Can you make money? Just a bunch of questions like that. So I decided to shoot videos on live trades when I trade, so people can see that you can make money. And the third reason why is to inspire others to become day traders. It's a funny story. Is when I was actually putting this YouTube channel together, I was telling a friend of mine about it, and they pretty much got inspired and got excited, and they couldn't wait for me to get this channel going. So with that said, just a little bit about myself, a little bit about my background. Over the past 4.5 years, I've learned and developed the necessary skill set to become a profitable day trader in the futures industry. Okay. Again, my goal that I set for myself was to retire by 2025, or even before, from my day job, and to become a full-time day trader. So I created my YouTube channel to document and share my journey with you and the whole YouTube community. My mission with this channel is to inspire others who wish to become day traders and allow them to see that it is possible to make money as a day trader. My plan is to post new videos Monday through Friday when the market is open, and this will allow you, it will give you a chance to look right over my shoulder as I trade live price action. So that'd be a good thing, so that people who have questions about whether if they can do it or not, they'll be able to see me trade live. Now my channel is strictly for educational purposes only, and with every post I always share new day trading content. I have 3 playlists on there that I structured for education, which is, one is to live trades, 2 is I belong to a professional trading room, so there's training videos there, and then the third is this training videos of just the overall day trading industry as itself. Okay, so that's pretty much the setup on my channel. It's a brand new channel. I'm sorry that I'm using a still shot. I don't have all the proper equipment and everything like the professionals do, but I got a halfway decent picture up there, and it looks pretty good. So with that said, I just want to say welcome to my journey, and if this is your first time here and you'd like to support my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post new video content. Okay, so thanks for the visit, and I'll see you on the next video.